Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to post quietly on Instagram without notifying followers. Let's get started. First, open Instagram and tap the plus icon to create a post. Here you can select the photo or video that you want to upload. And on the final posting screen, tap advanced settings and toggle on turn off likes and view counts if you want to keep it low key. Then, if you don't want it to appear in your followers' feeds right away, instead of posting directly, you can tap Save as Draft or post it, then archive it. And later, you can choose to unarchive it when you want people to see it. And currently, Instagram does not have a direct silent post option, but using archive, close friends, or advanced settings is the best way to post quietly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.